Alright, we are in the kid hauler today and we are headed to get a torch. My folks have a cutting torch. I need to cut some things so that we can kind of work on that free tow truck thing. So we're gonna head out to Mom and Dad's and take you guys along for the ride. We'll grab that torch and see what we can get done today. Probably gonna have to go get some gas because I think it hasn't been used in a while. Here we go. Woo! Well, it's windy, but that ain't going nowhere. We got the torch all loaded up and we're gonna head on down the road. Oh. So the oxygen's empty and we're gonna have to fill that up real quick. So here we go. Okay, so we got home and we got the gas all filled up. So it's ready to go. We're gonna buzz a couple of holes in here, try and make it as neat as we can, and see what we can get done so that we can get some ramps on that thing. Ramps would really help. Here we go. To go. Okay, we got those all welded up and they are on the truck. So it's either gonna work great or it's gonna fail marvelously. So here goes nothing. Well, it looks as though it may need some tweaking. But the ramps work. So there's that. Well, I'm going to pull it off and we'll discuss this. Oh, mercy sakes. So let's talk about this a little bit. It is really windy out there, so I came back in the garage to kind of chit-chat about it. But let's talk about a couple of things that went well. So it looks like I built the ramps strong enough. So far, there wasn't any deflection that I noticed. Maybe after I review the video, it'll become more apparent. But ramps look like they're doing well. Some of the things that worked good, the wooden deck. The wooden deck seems to be plenty strong enough. The ties across there, the 2x2 square tubing, working good. I'm pleased with that. I am not sure about the suspension. There seemed to be enough suspension on the passenger side, but not on the driver's side. It looked like it was bottom. I may have a broken spring or something, so we may have to investigate that and see what the issue is there. Overall, still not bad. We may have to do some tweaking. We may have to rethink the way that we've got this designed. But that allowed me to get the weight up on the vehicle to see what it was going to do to the suspension. So I haven't started building the pivot yet. That'll come next. But the ramps are done, and I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to build them in such a way that they'll become sideboards for the flatbed to be able to keep, when I'm using it as a wood truck, I'll be able to keep whatever I load on the truck on the truck. So overall, still I'm pretty pleased. It's not doing quite what I thought it would, but as with any experiment, we're learning as we go. So, yeah. As always, thank you for watching. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and check out one of these other videos. It's what YouTube thinks you'll enjoy.